Hi everyone, in today's video, we will be checking out the Hotwav T5 Pro rugged smartphone. It is a newly released versatile rugged smartphone that Hotwav just released. Let's check out what it has to offer. The packaging looks good in orange. You'll proceed to unbox it to see what it has to offer. Inside the box, users will find one Hotwav T5 smartphone, packed nicely in a foam slot. Also included is a charging cable to charge up your device. A wall power adapter is also provided to connect it to power. Finally, a user guide is provided, to guide users on the product usage and advise. All packed neatly inside the retail box. On first impressions, the Hotwav T5 looks solid with its all-black design and color. It looks modern with some metal engravings and casting at the back of the phone. The device feels to be made of rubber, which gives it a rugged feel to it. At the bottom, users will find a USB-C charging port, which is covered with a rubber flap to prevent water from going in. A SIM card and SD card tray can be found at the side of the phone. Users can use it to expand their storage or change their SIM cards. At the other side, there are volume buttons and a power key to turn on the phone. What surprised me is the headphone jack. Many smartphones don't come with it now, but this one do, a good option for wired headphone users like me. Before use, let me remove the protective layer on the screen first. Now, power it up. It boots nicely into the Hotwav logo. Once powered on for the first time, follow the on-screen instructions to continue. Once setup is done, it will boot into the home page. Check out the software interface. It looks pretty nice with a modern and elegant V-shape icon as the device's wallpaper. This phone is running Android 12, so it feels really fast and the interface is updated to Android 12 for better usability that is smooth and responsive. With Android 12, I can get the best out of my everyday usage, with the latest updated apps and patches. The camera interface, as you see, I can simply point and capture at anything I want. Like this. There are many different photography modes on the camera which users can explore. Check out some test shots I captured on the Hotwav T5 Pro, they look good. Clear and colors are accurate even in low lighting conditions. Here is a test video. Quality looks good during bright lighting conditions. At night, if I am filming, the video quality is still viewable, with a decent quality to it. Let me try gaming on it. While running the game, the device doesn't feel hot or laggy, it is responsive to my input and the game runs nicely on the phone. Browse the net easily too with the browser built into it, connect to Wi-Fi or use your 4G data for your browsing needs. With its rugged ratings, I can feel at ease knowing the device is durable and resistant to accidental drops, or scratches. Even with the hammer on the screen, it did not scratch or damage it. On accidental drops, it did not break too. Overall, I find the Hotwav T5 Pro rugged smartphone a decently priced rugged smartphone that packs many features and functions. I can use it for my excursions, or travels. The design is good and up to date with current trends. If you want to find out more about the Hotwav T5 Pro rugged smartphone, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.